Welcome back, guys. Today we're looking at Blip AI, a game-changing tool that claims to turn your speech into ready-to-send text in any app. Just press a hotkey and speak. Discover the best deal for Blip AI on AppSumo today. Let's dive into what makes this tool unique. Here are the core features you need to know about. It solves key pain points by helping you automate tasks and save hours of work every week. Best of all, you can check it out right now and decide if it fits your workflows. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.
Introducing Blip AI. It's a voice-to-text tool that can take actions. Let me show you. Let me press FN key. Hey Blip, write a follow-up email to a client about the proposal we sent last week. Keep it short and friendly. I can use Blip inside Notes, ChatGPT, email, VS Code, or any app for instant speech to text. It removes filler words, formats, and gives you perfect text in any app.